Good morning. I have 25 odds for you, total of 10 matches. Let's get started. The first game we have here is a game in the Scotland Premiership where Hibernian FC is taking on Celtic, and my prediction is Celtic to win at full time. The next one we have is a game in the Denmark Super League, a game between FC Nordsjælland taking on Linsby, and my prediction is home team win at full time. Then moving on, we have a game here in the Portugal, where FC Famalicão is taking on Benfica. My prediction here is our team to win, which is Benfica. Moving on, we have a game between Al Ali FC taking on ZFC, and my prediction here is home team win or draw. You find this game in Egypt's Premier League. Moving on, we have a game between FC Porosen 06 Monster taking on Hanover. My prediction here is away team win or draw, double chance. That you find this game in Germany Bundesliga 2. Moving on, we have a game between Ajax taking on Heerenveen, and my prediction here is home team win, which is Ajax. You find this game in Netherlands, Divisie. Moving on, we have a game between Osbeek taking on Saarburg, and my prediction here is over 2.5 goals. You find this game in Norway Division 2. Moving on, we have a game between Samsung Sport taking on Basistas Istanbul. You find this game in Turkey's Super League, and my prediction here is away team win or draw, double chance, which is Istanbul. Moving on, we have a game between Brøndby taking on AGF Aarhus, and you find this game in Denmark Super League, and my prediction here is both teams to score at full time. Moving on, we have a game between Sheffield Wednesday taking on Plymouth Agile, and you find this game in England Championship, and my prediction here is over 8.5 corners. That gives us a total of 25 odds, 10 matches, and this is the booking code for those people using Sportybet. If you want to win daily, just like VIP subscribers, kindly chat me up on WhatsApp. I will leave the link in the comment section, and also remember the VIP is a paid service, it's not free, and then there's no pay after. And one good thing is that the subscription fee is affordable for everyone to join. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys after the game.